Hi everyone. Today I am going to divert your attention to an issue, a dilemma that exists in our society. We can observe this on streets, in front of restaurants. This is common also in all this is common also in all of our country. How we feed poor and needy people who can't even afford a meal for a day. This is our responsibility to correct things, provide food to the needy and the people who deserve this, but in a very, very respectable manner. The way at the moment it is being done by the rich or the people who help these people, these women, children, and men, is not exactly what is right way. The right way is they should be given respect. They should be recognized as part of our society. They should be recognized as is the message given by our Prophet also. It is teachings of our Islam also. It is being taught by Islam also. How we should be helping others, how we should be helping needy, how we should be helping poor, how we should be helping the hungry. Ladies and gentlemen, you might have observed people sitting in front of restaurant. The poor ones who couldn't get opportunities in their life that we had. You have. You were able to have a good education in your life. You were able to have a good job in your life. You were able to earn money. But these people who are deprived, for any reason, they were not able to get their education. They were not able to find jobs. It is our responsibility to help them. But we should be helping them in a respectable manner. If you see those people who are not even able to enter the restaurant owner, the restaurant owner does not let them in. They are not able to avail the facilities inside restaurant, the plates, the dishes, the glass, the way we eat food inside restaurant. Have you ever seen them being treated like we normally are? Similarly, you might have seen people sitting on the footpaths across the roads. There are organizations who are helping them. They are doing a good job. I appreciate them. But mind it, this is not the way. We should be very, very careful because it is matter of respect. It is humiliation. It is an insult. It adds fuel to their injuries. Ladies and gentlemen, your faith is not complete until you like for your brother that you like for yourself. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This was the lesson given by our Prophet. This is the foundation of Islam. Please, please, please stop treating people the way they are at the moment. They're part of our society. They are deprived. We should make them realize that there are people who are willing to help them in their difficult times, the times that might not end for them or times that might end for them in future. It is test of Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a way to test humans. It is test for them. We might not be able to pass this test. So please, please, please spread this message and let people know that they are our brothers, sisters. This society has lot of space to accommodate them. There are a lot of people wealthy enough who always help, but who is going to make these choices? Ladies and gentlemen, let's join hands together, share this message, and let the people know that we should be treating everyone with respect, everyone in a manner we would like to be treated. If we like to eat food in a good way, in a good manner, in our homes, in offices, in celebrations, in parties, in ceremonies, these neglected, deprived people of our society should be treated exactly in the similar way we would want us to be treated by others. Thank you very much. I am Farasat Saeed, Sawal News TV.